Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to download the receipts into the HMI program by Vijeo Designer without losing the information. So let's go to the software. First thing that we need to do is to check here on the preserve runtime data where are the files or the settings that we want to overlap. So in this case I'm going to leave this information. Okay, if you select this one it will delete everything, so I'm going to retain this value from the receipts that I have. I'm going to uncheck this one. Another thing that we can do is to check where is the receipt store. In this case, are stored in this HMI inside the main drive. So let me just show you here. We can see that we have the HMI to this. You can see there's some information. So what I'm going to do now is to download the application. As you can see, this is the actual value 55748985, which is the same that you can barely see here. So if we download this again, download target, I don't want to delete all runtime data. Okay, now we need to wait. Okay, it's booting. Just wait for it. The original values for the receipt I'm going to show you. If I'm not wrong, there are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if everything goes well, we shouldn't see these values on the receipt. So let's go back here. Let's wait for this to boot. Okay, so if we go to the receipts, you can see there that it retained information. Now we're going to send that. You can see the information is stored in the device without losing the information when we download the application. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.